Shrimp.
What's that?
Shrimp.
What's that?
أنا نمت shrimp.
Shrimp?
أيوة.
You? Shrimp?
Shrimp.
Ah, nice to meet you, sir.
job is a blessing, but F you, pay me. Rocks on my wrist, fur on my feet, setting the table in all the chic. Baby, come eat. I like luxury, I like fancy things. Shine on my body, live like royalty. Treat you like a king if I trust, but you must be worthy of the crown. I'm not just anybody, born to live in luxury. I work too hard on my luxury. We come so far, luxury. Cover these scars and diamonds, luxury. Every day I'm alive, it's giving lux, yeah. I work too hard on my. We come so far, cover these scars and diamonds. Every day I'm alive, it's giving love.
Almost how you protect them. I can hear it.
Ja, then. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Hofazo Insho T. If it's your first time, and if you're coming back again, thank you so much. I appreciate you so much for coming back again. And if it's your first time, I hope you enjoy it. I hope you love it here. Please do not forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I'm doing this in the car, and there are people like posting, and I'm just like awkward. It's giving awkward. But anyway, guys, I am home for my leave. I have 7 days leave, so I'm home for my leave. I'm so excited, guys. Like, I am like, this is the perfect way to end my October, like being at home. October was rough. So this is the perfect way to end my October. I am so happy. Rough in a good way, by the way. Rough in a good way. So yeah, I'm so happy to be home. I'm home for my leave, and drum roll. I'm not only home for my leave, it is my brother's traditional wedding. You know how many times I had to practice like that in my head? Because in my head, what makes sense is saying it's my sister's traditional wedding. That's how my sister has become my sister. I mean, my brother is still my brother. I love my brother down. I'm not saying like, you know, but I'm saying that she's become so much family that it's I don't know, I've forgotten that she's my sister-in-law, you know. To me, she's my sister's sister, like she's my mother's daughter. But anyway, yeah, my brother's getting, it's my brother's traditional wedding. They're getting married, they're getting traditionally, like they're doing the traditional celebration, and I'm taking you guys in with me. Yeah, I know I said I will not be vlogging for the rest of October, but because this is a very special this is a very special moment. Tomorrow is my birthday also, guys. My birthday is a very, like, for me, birthdays are it's a very emotional thing for me, because I just appreciate how much God is entrusting me with another year, like has entrusted me with a full year, and he's entrusting me with another year to come. That to me is amazing. It's beautiful. It's everything. So the only thing I can do to him, be in thanksgiving the whole of October, and just, you know, just say thank you, God. I thank you for getting me to this point, and I don't know what you're planning on doing, guys. You know what, let me not ramble too much about what happened in October. But yeah, I don't want this intro to be too long. I'm so excited. I'm so happy for my brother and my sister. It's their traditional wedding. I'm so happy for them. God bless their soul. You know, one thing about me, I think somebody also asked in my my previous Q&A if I want to get married or have kids. Of course I want to get married. Of course I want to have kids. And it makes me so happy when I see people around me getting married, because I'm like, God is around the corner. God is around the corner. So yeah, I'm so happy for them. So yeah, I hope you guys have been good. I hope you guys have been wild. I hope you guys have been blessed. I hope you guys have been, I've just been like, wow. Yeah, so let's get into it. I'll vlog you in. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. Hi guys, another day, another doiler. My camera is sitting in a very weird and awkward place, and I'm literally driving so carefully. And this is Northwest, guys, there's potholes for days in Northwest, and I'm sorry if the lighting just keeps getting bad and all of that. I'm so sorry for the lighting, you guys, but anyway, I was saying it's my birthday. It's my birthday, and I'm happy because of so many things. Like, I'm so grateful. Like, you know what, every single year, is that my dad? That looks like my dad's car. But anyway, every single year I have a theme song for my birthday. Like, when I mean theme song, I have a song that I feel like speaks to me for that year. Oh, okay. And the other year, I remember the other year, it was I think it was 2 years back or 3 years, I don't know. It was You Deserve It. That one that says my hallelujah belongs to you. You deserve it. Because I felt like in that year, my hallelujah belongs to him. This year, I feel like the theme song from this year is On Time God. When I tell you that God came through for me in the month of October, it's crazy. And why am I saying he's an on-time God is because I was having a chat with my sister in Christ, Vanya, the other day, and we're talking about how we feel like the year has gone by so quickly, and we feel like we haven't done anything for, like, not done literally, spiritually, physically, mentally, whatever. We're not where we would have loved to be and stuff like that and whatnot. And you know, we decided to pray about it, and girl, we prayed about it. But anyway, that doesn't matter. But when I tell you that the month of October, oh my goodness, God came through in so many levels. And I mean, coming through, I mean, it doesn't necessarily have to be physical things. That doesn't mean that I have to buy a car to say, oh, God came through, God was giving. No, there's so many things that God can come through in you. For me, what matters the most is my spiritual life. Like, guys, spirituality over everything. Your spiritual life is your everything, basically. So if you are, I don't want to say thriving, but if you are seeing growth, if you are seeing maturity, if you are seeing some little, oh my gosh, this camera is not focusing. But anyway, if you're seeing growth or something in your spiritual life, in whatever, for me, that's you know. So October for me, man, God has opened doors that I just nothing he would open. He has made me stand up to so many things that I didn't think I would be able to stand up to. God came through so much for me in the month of October, and that's why I call him the on-time God for this year. He has been on time, because the beginning of the year I wrote down every single thing that I wanted from God. I wrote it down, and I had so much hope that I will accomplish it like this. Goopy, where none of that happened, but majority of that happened in the month of October, and I'm so grateful to God because his timing is always perfect. So that's why my theme song for this year is On Time God. Guys, also I know I am so dark because we are working. It's my brother's traditional wedding, like I said, right? You know what, I think my sister is not here anymore. I think she's on the other side. Oh my gosh, yeah, I think she's on the other side. But anyway, that's why I call him the on-time God, because this year I literally saw him in 1 month. You know, it's so frustrating sometimes, like going through life and you're just like, when is it ever gonna happen for me? I keep celebrating other people, I keep celebrating this, but when is it ever gonna happen to me? I keep going through this. But guess what? He is an on-time God, guys. If you don't believe that God is an on-time God, today, please hear it from me. I'm telling you, girl, he will make it happen. When the time is right, I, the Lord, will make it happen. So yeah, I'm so grateful to God for everything that he's done for me, for everything that he keeps on doing for me. I'm so grateful for my family. Guys, spending my birthday with my family is the best thing ever. I'm not gonna lie to you. This is one of like I don't want to lie to you. So far I've done a lot on my birthday, but so far spending it with my family, top 2 and not number 2, Sana. Top 2 and not number 2. So yeah, I just came to fetch. Oh, you know what, this is not happening. But anyway, I just wanted to say hi. Keep watching, keep praying, like that song says. On time God, keep watching, keep praying. Help is around the corner. Help is around the corner. He is an on-time God. He does the impossible. He does the extraordinary. He will come through for you, honey. He will come through. So yeah, that's my birthday. That's my 2 cents to you guys for my birthday. That's my birthday gift to you guys, just to remind you guys that God will do it. One thing about God, he will pull through. He will. Yeah, so that's my 2 cents for my birthday. I am planning on buying a cake because I'm on diet. I can't have the cake, so I am planning on buying the cake. And because there's a lot of people at home, working and all of that. And yeah, so I'm planning on buying the cake and just like giving it to them, you know. Oh my gosh, like I am so dark. Why am I so dark? What? No, what is that? What are you showing me? What? What are you showing me? Wow, it's upside down. Oh my God! Oh my God!
3 hours later.
Cari, maroi. Sini pakai yang untuk kau kuajo. Usah kayaknya hai. Kan kan. Kamu bilang sekarang ibu ibu kayak ada tuh. Aku kasih teh. Ini lagi di mana? Gitu sih. Karena gitu
Wana bereka. Uthata ke nyano hata. Ke plug. Yentse plug batho.
Hello, Sileya. Ngaya phone
was very nice. Pay attention, pray and listen, hear your
From you changes everything. You speak one word from you. Mountains have to move. One word from you. Chains have to I'm filled with anointing. No weapon can harm me. The Lion and the Lamb, Holy One of God, yeah. My sweet love is the most. Good morning, you guys. Good morning. Another day in the vloggity vlog. It's currently 6:11 and driving to Johannesburg. I am going to get a few things from there. I'm going to collect 2 of my dresses, one for Saturday, one for Sunday. I think I did mention already a lot of times that it's my brother's traditional wedding. So I'm fetching 2 of the dresses from one of the dresses from my friend's place because it got couriered to her place. And then the second one is from WISANI clothing. Guys, shout out to WISANI clothing. WISANI clothing, top 2 and not number 2. I literally texted her on Wednesday, which is like 2 days ago. Today's Friday. I texted her on Wednesday on my birthday that I need a dress ASAP. Like I need a dress within 3 days. And she's like, I got you. I'm like, before Saturday. She's like, I got you. Literally, I got you. So I'm driving to Joburg now just to go get my 2 of those dresses. And then from there, I'm gonna go to the Penthouse. The Penthouse, which was called or was the Sun HD. I am going to get my the Penthouse is beautiful. It is beautiful. I went there last week to drop off my wigs for a wash and a treatment. And let me tell you something, that place is beautiful, like class, everything class. It's I'm in love. I'm excited to be going there today again. So I'm just gonna go get my hair installed from there. I'm still battling whether I should get it styled as well or not because I've been planning on getting a KELE as well. So if I do get a KELE, KELEs are so expensive. A KELE is that Nigerian head wrap. So I'm planning on getting that. And if I do get it, then I won't need to get styled because both my dresses are actually two dresses, but the one for Sunday, it doesn't need like hair falling down. It needs like it to be in an updo or even like a pondo or whatever. So yeah. But anyway, other than that, I'm so happy that I'm driving like a long distance. It's actually a long distance because it's like almost 4 hours drive. I'm so happy because I get to listen to worship and just praise. Like that's one thing I miss about driving. I miss that so much about driving, being able to just pray in your car, screaming out loud, praying, whatever. Like I miss that, like going to work in the mornings and having like my worship on loud and screaming, nobody saying a thing. That I miss so much. Like I don't know, I don't know. I wish I could just take this car and take it to DOHA with me because so I can just drive to work. Because yeah, I guess I'll see you guys throughout the day when I am getting all of these 3 things. Yeah, wish me luck, guys. I also need to get shoes as well. You know, last minute things, guys. Last minute things are not it, shame. Last minute things, they are not it, shame. They are not it.
Finally don't get no fuss. Finally be riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give what other someone say. Finally got my friends in the back of my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. roses with me. Just give you a moment, stay in the moment with me. You woke up from a while, haven't seen you smile since December. Ripped your heart, got a brand new one since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the flame blur out for a while. Stay in the moment, stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment, give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses, smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment, stay in the moment with me. I see you climbing, been trying to find your way. Let's see you smiling since we were stuck in LA.
Yeah, so I just finished installing my hair. Am I happy? Of course, yes. I feel like a brand new person, guys. Oh, here's the exit. This is the exit. I feel like a brand new person all over again. But yeah, so I'm going to North Riding now to collect my second dress. I already collected my first dress. So I'm also having a berry dairy smoothie from Kauai. And yeah, we'll talk later.
Said if only I was seeking, you never turn me away. Why do we have a covenant? Papa no fail me. When I'm with now, you be my power. Run to you cause you're my strong tower. Every day your favor, they follow me. Every day your blessing, they follow me. And me, I'm a logo mare.
Show me your shoe. Show me your shoe. Wow. Bona taudi ya khomo e be tsama ya mafale e khotsa tlha e ndire tsa go ja marapo e re go ja nama a marapo a re nna we a ne godumo
to trust one another and learn to aid each other's trust. You people, hello? So
ngomong kenyana yo ile khare jana lo ra mogotsi ma lo nna la bona go tota mane go fa ke le khare re mogotsi ne le khare ajo na go ro ke le khare tshule khara ke re bolai to bed ke a le bo ga bagolo any plant in my feet on the keys I ain't no superstar spotlight ain't shining on me I used to wake up ke ba tona mama peti a tsaka ka tso
of wisdom, words that will. I've been married for 15 years. Next month it will be our 16th year of marriage. One thing that I know,
I've known Rufio to be a very humble person. I feel like I want to be go. How is it? Give a fella I get to the again.
You're welcome. Kuria Khana. It's a book.
Picture of it, video.
Must be.
Oh my god. Just open the door. Chica Pinheiro.
Baby, keep out.
Ile de merisa go ba fetong itse go ba fetong. Mara e batla o na mo re ntlas. Okay. Tommy.
Mama ke tlo tsa dilo tse ke a go mo dira ka tsone. Ke le moriri wa ga
As a sister, we are friends. I pray that God bless their family, God increase them, and God meet them at the point of need in all they desire. And God.
Approaching Marlborough. Attention, please.
welcomes you to Doha, the state of Qatar, your gateway to the world. You have just landed at HAMMAD International Airport, where the local time is 9:50 in the evening. And for your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until these aircraft has come to a complete stop and the seatbelt.
Another day in the vlog. I don't know if this is the last day. I'm still gonna start editing today or tomorrow. I think tomorrow. I just landed into Doha. It's been like a few minutes getting to my place. I just got to my place now. Literally just got to my place now. And I am so exhausted. I'm so exhausted. I wanted to just, talk with you guys because the whole weekend I haven't been speaking to you guys. I've just been filming without speaking to you guys. I didn't even actually film that much, to be honest with you. Some of the stuff you'll see, they will be in, is it landscape or whatever? They'll be in, instead of this, because I took some of the videos from my cousins. And yeah, man, I'm home now. It's back to Doha. It's back to work. Oh my gosh, even my voice is a bit tricky. It's a bit tricky. I am having the, please focus. I'm having my regular lychee soda, my favorite drink. Lychee soda. It's what? Why is it bubbling up? Guys, lychee soda is so good. So good. Lychee soda is my favorite. Anyway, what I wanted to say is that I'm quickly gonna take a shower. I'm gonna bath. I'm quickly gonna take a shower and then probably eat something. I want to eat something before I take a shower because I want the food to digest. I've been on
very strict diet for the first part of October, like until before I went home. I've been trying to eat like maybe 3 hours before I sleep, and not like eat and sleep to avoid, you know, gaining weight. And I've also been off sugar for a long time. That's why I still have this lychee soda. It's from actually a long time ago. I haven't been drinking sugar at all. I've been off sugar when I was in Doha, but when I got home, but even when I was home, I was off sugar. It's only a few times when I had like cold drink, a few times, and it was because I was forced to, because I was so thirsty and there was nothing to drink. Like water was not even an option, the way I was so thirsty. Guys, it was so hot back home, like it was hot. Anyway, without rambling too much, I just want to say thank you so much for watching the vlog. Thank you so much for commenting. If you've commented already, or if you are on your way to comment, thank you so much for subscribing as well. I appreciate you all so much. Tomorrow I don't have work. I have a uniform day, so I have to go get new uniform tomorrow. I unfortunately can't take you guys with me because yeah, you get it, right? You get it. So yeah, I'm just gonna go fetch my uniform, but the day after I have a flight, and then I'm off to Seychelles again. Guys, I like my roster for November, but the only thing that hurts me so much is the fact that I don't have a Joburg flight. And I'm like, how is that possible? I don't have a Joburg flight. An entire 30 days, no Joburg flight, not even one. But I don't know. I'm gonna try and swap. Hopefully, I'm hoping for the best. I'm trying to swap, but on my thing is, I like all my flights, and I'm so attached to all my flights, and my flights are. I also, guys, next month is a good month. It's a good month. Just yeah. So yeah, man, I'm so happy to be back home. Like when I'm not the fact that I'm home, like now, I mean like to be here, like in my room, because traveling is just too much. I don't like traveling. Traveling from home, guys. Being from Northwest is not easy. Being from Northwest, baby, it's not easy. What I mean is not easy, I mean in terms of like when you have to come back to Doha, it's crazy because you have to, it's literally a day of traveling. It's you travel from home to Joburg. From Joburg, that's when you only catch the flight. So it's a lot. So I had a very long day of traveling, and because I didn't like it. So at least the next time I'm going home is probably gonna be in January. I'm hoping I'll be also able to go home in December. I'm hoping I'll be able to go home in December. And yeah, that's about it. Thank you so much for watching and being with me, riding with me. I appreciate you all so much. So yeah, let me go and take a shower. Oh guys, lychee soda is so good. Everything that's not good is good. Oh, lychee soda is amazing. Anyway, that's about it.